Hi, I'm your AI advisor, and welcome to the first video in our series on AI and business readiness. Today, we're diving into what AI means for your business and how you can prepare for this rapidly evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's transforming industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to retail and manufacturing. But what does AI really mean for your business? Let's break it down. AI's potential lies in its ability to automate tasks, analyze data at unprecedented speeds, and generate insights that were previously unimaginable. For businesses, this means better decision-making, increased efficiency, and the ability to innovate faster than ever before. These are the key benefits of AI for businesses. Automation. AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic work. Data analysis. With AI, you can analyze large data sets to uncover trends and make data-driven decisions. Personalization. AI allows you to tailor products and services to meet the specific needs of your customers. But with all this potential comes the challenge of preparation. And here's the reality: your competitors are already preparing. The question is, are you? Another critical factor is your employees' preparedness. AI doesn't just impact systems and processes, it impacts people. Ensuring your team is ready to work alongside AI will be key to driving efficiency and staying competitive in this new landscape. Before diving into AI, it's crucial to assess your current readiness. This involves understanding your data, technology infrastructure, and the skills within your organization. Let's review the AI readiness checklist. Data. Do you have the right data? AI thrives on data, so understanding what data you have and how it's stored is a critical first step. Technology. Is your IT infrastructure capable of supporting AI tools and platforms? This includes everything from cloud computing capabilities to cybersecurity. Skills. Do you have the in-house expertise to manage AI projects? If not, it might be time to consider upskilling your team or bringing in external experts. Each business is different, and AI readiness will vary. However, understanding these foundational elements will give you a clear starting point. Now let's talk about a role that's becoming increasingly important in the AI era: the Chief AI Officer, or CAIO. A CAIO is responsible for overseeing AI initiatives, aligning them with your business objectives, and ensuring that AI adoption is ethical and strategic. The CAIO responsibilities include AI strategy, developing and implementing a comprehensive AI strategy that aligns with your business goals. Collaboration, working closely with other C-suite executives to integrate AI across all departments. Ethics and compliance, ensuring that AI use is ethical and compliant with regulations. But beyond strategy, a CAIO also plays a vital role in employee preparedness. They help ensure that your team is equipped with the skills and knowledge to work effectively with AI, driving efficiency and maximizing the benefits of AI integration. So how do you get started with AI? Here are some actionable steps you can take right now. 1. Educate yourself and your team. Start by building AI literacy within your organization. This can be through workshops, courses, or bringing in experts. 2. Start small. Begin with a pilot project. Identify a specific area where AI can add value and run a small-scale test. 3. Collaborate. Consider partnerships with AI vendors, consultants, or other businesses that have already implemented AI successfully. 4. Measure and iterate. Set clear goals and KPIs for your AI projects and be ready to iterate based on the results. Remember, AI adoption is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning and improvement, not just for your systems, but for your people as well. wrap up, AI offers tremendous opportunities for businesses, but readiness is key. By assessing your current state, considering the role of a CAIO, and taking strategic steps to integrate AI, you can position your business for success in the AI era. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into specific AI tools and how they can be applied across different industries. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to discuss how AI can benefit your business, feel free to reach us at info@413ai.com.